Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. This video I will make very urgent for all of my viewers, especially for my subscriber who's holding Shiba token in this time friends. Keep watch this video till the end friends, because in this video I'm telling very important talk which is important for all of you. So keep watching, and if you are new on my channel, please I will request all of you, if you listen my voice, so please don't ignore and kindly click the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you again and again to please subscribe ABS Tech channel friends. So please subscribe now. Thank you so much. I know you subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Anyways, as you can see here, now at this time the price change occur in the Shiba token is going positive, but a lot of holders at this time decide to sell Shiba token, especially the short-term investor. I'm talking about especially the short-term investor. The majority cases, the short-term investor decide to sell Shiba token when they start jumping. So absolutely now you want to make a profit with the Shiba token. So my personal suggestion for all of you is that please hold Shiba token for a 1 month. And if you want high amount of profit with the Shiba, so please hold it for a 1 year. Personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token for the 1 year. I'm going to sell my Shiba token in the last of 2021 friends. And December I'm going to selling my Shiba token, because now in this time Shiba token is going to hit a 0.001 USD dollar in the last of 2021. So I will get a good amount of profit from the Shiba token. So that is why I'm suggesting for all of you to please hold Shiba token. Anyways my friends, let's move on and let's see the price chart of the Shiba token. As you can see here, now it is time they again taken a high jump and they continue a big jump Shiba token. So I suggest for all of you to please hold Shiba token and don't sell it. Hold for a long time. As you hold Shiba token for a long time, that's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Shiba token friends. So what's your opinion? My prediction about Shiba token is positive, and I think that the Shiba token is going to hit 0.01 USD dollar in the last half this week. Going to hit 0.01 USD dollar in the last half this week. I'm 100% sure that Shiba token only give us a profit, not loss. So that is why I'm suggest for all of you to please hold it and don't decide to sell Shiba token. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Shiba token? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.